Hey, so what's your name?
Hi, my name's Andy Ingram Ted. I'm from Ocado.
Okay, so can you talk about Ocado and what you do and why does it matter?
Yeah, so Ocado started in the UK 25 years ago. We started to make supermarket shopping the way it should be. So if the last big invention was the car, which enabled people to drive out of town to bigger supermarkets with a bigger range, well, the next big invention was the internet. And so what we wanted to do is be a pure play, online only. We were going to design big warehouses, very efficient, to fulfill grocery orders to customers. So we set out on a journey and we built the first version of our automation. It wasn't quite right, so we ended up scrapping that and building a new version. So we started back in 2000. By 2004, we started building massive conveyor and shuttle based systems in the UK, right?
Okay.
These were some of the most, and today, the most conveyed warehouses in the UK. Now these systems are great, and you take the productivity from here, like an 80 productivity, 80, when I say 80, I mean like site productivity, total number of inches picked, and total cost in terms of number of hours, paid hours to pick those orders. So we're trying to pick 80. We introduced all these conveyors, we're now up to like 180 productivity, right? Brilliant. But, when Mrs. Jackson orders her shopping, she wants it picked on time and in full. And when you've got this complex conveyor belt based system, you just have to have like one conveyor belt snap and your operation is down for like 4 hours. You have to start cutting customers' orders. So it was obvious to us that we need a fault tolerant system, okay? And we didn't have that. So in 2012, we started to develop our own system. This is what you see here. This is what we call our Ocado storage and retrieval system, okay? We went live with our first one in 2016, and this was a true fault tolerant system. What do I mean by that? So here, the core of our system is a grid. It's these totes, plastic totes stacked on top of each other. They can go 25 feet in the air, or 7.6 meters if you want to do metric. These bots that are about the size of a washing machine, they can roam around on top of the grid like a rook on a chessboard. So any bot can access any location. Inside, there's like a central cavity, and it's got a little grabber. It can grab down, grab the top toe, bring it into its belly, and it can take that toe to a pick station or a decant station or an inventory control station or anything like that, right? And so inside this grid now, we've got stock, but we've got the customer order as well. So if the customer order is going to go in a plastic tote and the stock is in this type of plastic tote, both of those are in this grid. And then you see this robot here, the one that looks like a washing machine is going to take the stock and the customer tote close by, and this robot arm is going to do fulfillment. It's going to pick and densely pack. It's going to check it, it's going to make sure it's the right item, it's going to scan it, and then the completed customer order is now already in the grid.